How to turn on messages on Google Business Profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While previously you could turn on messages on the Google Business Profile, you could see an option of messages from where you can add it on or enable. However, currently it has been unwinded by Google. As of July 31st, 2024, Google Business Messages has officially ended. After that date, both messaging and call history features are removed from business profiles. However, if you missed saving your chats or call records you had until the August 30, 2024, you can download them via Google Takeout. So in short, you can no longer turn on messages on Google Business as the feature has been permanently removed. However, you can use the alternative communication options from the contact info or the question answer section. So that is all for today's video. If there are any updates regarding this, we will make sure to keep you posted. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.